Finally tonight here, our Person of the Week. That's right. We normally do this on Fridays, but there was such an incredible moment of generosity today, we couldn't wait. The $1 billion gift and the woman behind it. Tonight in New York City, in the Bronx, at the Albert Einstein College of Medicine, you're about to see the moment lives were about to change. An auditorium full of students listening, and they couldn't believe it.
I'm happy to share with you that starting in August this year, the Albert Einstein College of Medicine will be tuition-free.
Ruth Gottesman and her $1 billion gift. The students and faculty jumping out of their seats, the shocked look on their faces, the tears in their eyes, their hands in the air, cheering. That donor, Dr. Ruth Gottesman, a former professor at the medical school and current chair of the board, making the incredible $1 billion donation to provide free tuition for all of the students indefinitely. The gift believed to be the largest made to any medical school ever in this country. The money came from her late husband's investments, and he told his wife, "Do with it what you see fit."
Hi, David.
The students grateful tonight.
Today really felt like the beginning of the rest of my life. The future's bright. Anybody being able to pursue the field and pursue their dreams without having to worry about the debt that comes with it.
Tonight, the generous donor, Dr. Gottesman, saying, "I feel blessed to be given the great privilege of making this gift to such a worthy cause." The remarkable, life-changing gift. The students' lives changed tonight. And so we choose Dr. Ruth Gottesman and her remarkable gift. So many lives changed today.